Okay, gonna try out something new we found at a Tops grocery store. Leisure Ways quick disposable charcoal grill made in China. So we'll just open it up, light it up, and 15 minutes of fire, I guess. We'll see. Okay, and that's what's inside. It's just supposed to light that paper, I guess. Okay, so there was a wire stand in there that this is supposed to set on. Okay, let's get this thing lit up. Really? There we go. I just gotta get the rice on it. There we go. So this thing has worked out not so great. Put some rocks to hold this pot above it, put some wood in there, moved it. Now we're cooking, but we're actually cooking with wood instead of, mostly wood instead of this charcoal grill contraption. So I would say this is not a good product. I guess that's why it was on clearance for like $5. Maybe it'll work in some cases. This case, not really.
Hey, quick change of scenery here. Yeah, I'm on my couch and not outside. So, yeah. So what happened was, lost the footage for the rest of the video about this grill fire starter thing. Long story short, it sucks. It takes a while to actually catch that flame and light up. It's not very friendly to catch. I mean, once it does go, it starts burning, but it's got no structural integrity, so you pretty much put anything but like a small steak or a small chicken breast or something on there, and that grill top just caves in. So not very good there. We actually did end up basically using it like a fire starter. We moved it down into the fire pit and used the flames off of that to actually light some firewood, to where then we could, finish cooking our meals that evening. So yeah, that fire starter grill thing, it's not worth it. Don't get it unless you just want to use it as a giant fire starter. So anyway, thanks for tuning in and seeing these crazy parts of this video. And remember, get outside, enjoy life, experiment, do a science, be safe. Bye.
Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.